Working with black and white or converting a colored picture to grayscale sounds so much of fun in Photoshop. There is several ways to do it. Like you can go to the Image tab, select Mode to Grayscale, select Discard, or click Image tab, go to Adjustments, click Black and White or press Alt+Shift+Ctrl+B. The color bars are representing the pixels with different shades. I'm going to brighten the red part and darken the greenish background. One other way to make more professional grayscale is opening the channels bar. If you don't have any idea where the channels palette is, go to the window tab, select channels. Because this picture is in RGB mode, you get red, green, blue and a mixed channel. If you select a particular channel, like I select red channel, so the red parts are standing out. I'm going to press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C to copy the impression and go back to the layers palette, make a new layer and paste over there. If you have no time or if you don't need to be that professional, press Ctrl+U and make saturation -100. Though it is looking sober, but it depends on image to image that which option will be perfect.